Two of the most common types of injuries that I see for cyclists involve the hips and also the clavicle. And so for many cyclists who are not trained about how to fall during an injury, their first reaction may be, as they're going down, to put their hands out. And frequently that results in a fractured collarbone, a fractured clavicle, which is an extremely painful injury. However, there's very little medically that you can do. So a cyclist or anyone who has a fractured clavicle may have medical bills that are very small, but the pain that they go through could last for months, and in the case of a cyclist, may keep you off the bike for a while. Another common injury is injuries to the hips, and one of the evasive maneuvers that cyclists are trained to do is something called a quick right turn. It's extremely hard to do, and one of the common things that happen is the cyclists in executing this maneuver will go down, let's say on the right side, and fracture their hip. So that's one of the most common injuries. That injury will also keep a cyclist off a bike for quite a while. Another common injury for cyclists are head injuries. Now, certainly everyone should wear a helmet, and most experienced cyclists do. The helmet may prevent a fatal injury, but may cause what we refer to as traumatic brain injuries. There are many different tests that can help determine that, and I have the experience to know which types of doctors can perform these tests to see if there is a traumatic brain injury, which may manifest itself much later after the accident. So I think it helps to have someone who understands the nature of those injuries and is looking beyond just the cost of the medical care.